Hey guys, Jeremy Galloway with Keller Hoover. Wanted to shoot a quick video to you about the process of getting pre-approved with a mortgage. With properties kind of going off the market pretty quick, it's good to go ahead and be approved. So, want to get Alan from Interlinc Mortgage on the video as well to kind of discuss some misconceptions and some myths when it comes to mortgages. And again, first thing you want to do, get pre-approved, find out what type of house you can possibly purchase, and then of course from there we can go look at houses. So, Alan, what's some of the misconceptions that we see a lot of times when it comes to people thinking about mortgages?
Yeah, there's a lot of them. A lot of people think the mortgage process is so hard and difficult and challenging, and a lot of it is just because they've been hearing a lot of myths that aren't necessarily true. The biggest thing people worry about is their credit score. I get people that call me all the time saying, "Hey, I don't have a good enough credit score." And we actually have programs that go down to a 580 credit score. Um, Lots of people will check their credit scores on Credit Karma or freecreditreport.com, and they think they know what their score is. And that may be the case with where they checked it, but what they don't realize is us as mortgage companies, we have a different type of credit report we use. We use a tri-merge credit report. It pulls in scores from all three of the major bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. And the mortgage algorithms or formulas for credit reports are different than the consumer credit report. So just because you think you know what your score is, it might actually be better by the time we pull your credit. So always let us run your credit and see where you're at. The second myth that I hear is people still think I've got to have a large down payment to buy a home. And that's old news. We have lots of programs to where you can do as little as 0% down. We have 100% financing programs. We have programs where you can do a 0.5% down, 3%, 3.5%, 5%. So lots of options with minimal down payments. So don't let a down payment be your challenge. The third thing I hear is they still think the mortgage process is such a hard process. And a lot of that has to do with what type of lender we use. At Interlinc, we're an in-house lender. We do the processing, the underwriting, the closing right there in the building. And our average turn time is 17 days from the time we get a contract. So that's important in a competitive market that you're dealing with a mortgage company that can close fast, because that might make your offer stand out a little bit better than someone else's.
Yeah.
And then lastly, people just think it's a hard process. There's just so much involved and so much documentation and things like that. The process is really as simple as giving us a call. All I really need is your name and your phone number. I can text you a link to your cell phone. You hit a few buttons, answer a few questions, that starts the process, and we pretty much handle it for you from there. So it's as easy as a phone call. So give me a call. I can get you ready. I can get you pre-approved. Get Jeremy the pre-approval letter that he needs, and y'all can start making offers on houses. So I'd love to talk to you. Again, that's Alan Briggs with Interlinc Mortgage Services, NMLS number 196255.
Gotcha. And again, Jeremy Gallo with Keller Hoover. Again, very simple process, especially with it being able to get the process started through text. Really great job with that. But again, let me know if you have any questions about real estate here in Birmingham market. Again, looking to buy, sell, or even invest in real estate. 205 605 9432. Thanks, guys.